with Raven.
Hi, this is Art with Raven. Today we're going to be making a Gastly out of Play-Doh. The first step, you make a black circle out of black Play-Doh. You need half circles for the eyes. Okay, now you need to get some more black Play-Doh and make little snakes for the eyes. Now you need to make a mouth shape for the mouth. Okay, for the next part you need to get some white pieces and make them little triangles for the teeth. Okay, next you need purple for the gas around him. Now you need to get some purple and put some like purple spots around. Oh wait, it looks like he's floating. Good job, now you've made a Gastly.
Gastly.